Hey guys, Dustin with Florit, and we are coming to you today to show you something really cool. It's new on the market, and it might really help you guys make a decision on what color and design fits your installation for your house. Maybe it's a bathroom, maybe it's a kitchen, maybe it's the living room. There's some new technology coming out that can really help you with that. So we're going to show you today, it's EF Hard Surfaces, and that's Engineered Floors website, efhardsurfaces.com. And what we can do on here is really cool. We can come down here to this EFO visualizer and we can click try it now. And it's going to take us into a deal where we're going to take a picture. So take photo of my room. So we're going to click on that and we're going to take a photo. Now you're going to have to use an iPad or a phone or something like that where you have a camera on it. And then we can come over here and we can actually take a picture of our room. So we've got this nice little bathroom here. We're going to snap a picture of it. And then we can, down at the bottom, we can click use photo. And it's going to render that photo so that it knows what is the floor. And it's going to allow us to put different products in the room. It's really, really cool. So as it loaded there, again right now it already went ahead and changed it to another gray wood look. So we kind of have what we got now. But maybe we want to totally change it up and go a little darker. A little lighter with more of a, again, brown tones. Lots of cool stuff here that this room visualizer is going to let you drop in here. And that's any of the products from Engineered Floors you can drag into that room so you can see it. And they do have tile looks and wood looks and all different types of stuff. I'll see if I can find you a tile look just to show you, you know, the kind of difference here of what we got. So like in this in here right now, we've got the wood plank, but as you can see here on the iPad right now, I've just dropped in a nice tile look with a 1/3 offset there. So it just really gives you guys a good idea, kind of maybe what different patterns and stuff like that might look like in your room. So with that, guys, have a good one and have some fun playing around with that EF room visualizer, again by Engineered Hard Floors, and that is efhardsurfaces.com is the website.